Hi everyone, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, your friendly English guide, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Together, we'll help you learn English through stories, emotions, and real-life conversations.
Because English isn't just grammar or books, it's life. It's how we talk, laugh, dream, and connect with people everywhere.
In every episode, we'll explore everyday topics, like travel, friendship, food, jobs, and feelings, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
You'll learn new words, real expressions, and fun idioms. And we'll practice them together, so you can sound fluent step by step.
So if you're an English learner who loves warm stories, easy lessons, and friendly vibes,
This is your world. Welcome to Amjee's English World. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and today feels so cozy and special.
And I'm Adam. And yes, it really does feel special, because today's episode is all about Christmas morning traditions.
Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, this episode is full of warm moments, new vocabulary, and fun expressions you can use in everyday English.
So grab a warm drink, relax, and let's enjoy a beautiful story together.
Adam, do you remember your favorite Christmas morning?
Oh yes, I was about 10 years old. I woke up early, like really early, because I was too excited to sleep. When I opened my bedroom door, I could smell something sweet.
Cookies? That's such a lovely memory. For me, my favorite tradition was opening just one present before breakfast. My family called it the warm-up gift.
Ha ha, a warm-up gift? Like warming up before a workout?
Yes, my dad said it prepares your heart for joy. I always open the smallest gift first.
That's so cute. And you know, everyone has different Christmas traditions, big or small, but they all bring people together.
Let's learn 3 helpful words from today's story. 1. Tradition. Meaning something people do every year or regularly. Example, drinking hot chocolate on. Christmas morning is my family's tradition. 2. Excited. Meaning happy and full of energy. Example, children feel excited when they see gifts. 3. Cozy. Meaning warm, comfortable, safe. Example, I feel cozy when I sit near the Christmas tree with soft lights.
Repeat after me. I love learning about traditions.
I feel excited on special mornings.
My home feels cozy and warm.
Here are some expressions native speakers use around the holidays. It warms my heart. Meaning it makes me feel happy and touched. It feels like magic. Used for beautiful, special moments. Holiday spirit. The happy, warm feeling during the holiday season.
Alice, what's one tradition you want to start in the future?
Maybe a gratitude box. Every Christmas morning, each person puts one small note saying what they're grateful for.
Oh, that's beautiful. My new tradition will be making pancakes shaped like stars. Maybe they'll look funny, but hey, it's the thought that counts.
Yes, the holiday spirit is not about perfect shapes. It's about joy.
And remember, your English journey is just like traditions. Small steps repeated with love.
Yes, every time you listen, practice, and repeat, you grow a little more. And we're proud of you. Thank you for spending this warm moment with us.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own holiday traditions in the comments.
Until next time, stay warm, stay happy, and keep learning English with us.